Hey there, so this is my studio where I make music and I make content for you guys to watch. So let's get started with the desk. So this is my PC, my laptop with my monitor. I'll leave the specs on the screen as I can't mention all of them right now. And I use the Yamaha HS7. I love the speakers for mixing and for producing. And these are my headphones, the Audio Technica M40X. And this is my audio interface due for a change, but I'll keep rocking it for now. And this is my lovely MIDI keyboard. I love this MIDI keyboard so much. And this is the mic I use for content and meetings. And my bigger MIDI keyboard. And right here is where I record vocals, headphones, and the mic. This is my lovely Ergo chair. I love this chair so much, makes me feel so comfortable. And these are my acoustic panels to keep my sounds accurate when I'm mixing. So all of this didn't happen at once. It took some time to get here. I like a minimal and clean setup, and that's why my space looks like this. Like and follow for more.